Ooh, I like it. And I'll just show you what it looks like on so you guys can look at the hardware, y'all. Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kellster, and today I'll be doing a handbag unboxing for the brand Quince. Hi you guys, welcome back to a new video. My name is Kellster from youtube.com/KellsterMakeups. I found out about this particular brand from a YouTuber. Her name is Shakura. Simply Cora is her channel, but I've been like a fan of her videos and YouTube channel for some years now, especially when I initially got into handbags. In one of her more recent videos, I believe should be within the last 2 or 3 weeks, she showed a purse dupe that was very similar to a Bottega bag that Quince makes. So when she showed that purse, I was like, oh, I have to check out Quince. Okay, so they make Italian leather handbags that are high quality, that are very comparable to higher end or extreme luxury products without that crazy price. So they kind of, I guess you would say, like make dupes similar but not the same, and you do get that same high quality look like with those luxury bags without, again, that crazy price. And they're not just making dupes or similar bags to like super top tier expensive luxury, they're also making bags that look very similar to contemporary brands like Coach, Tory Burch, Rebecca Minkoff. So I saw a lot of stuff that was very similar to a lot of different brands. They also have a bag on there that looks really similar to a Poland bag. Again, these bags are so much more affordable. Like I'm talking, girl, like under $200 affordable, which I was like, oh, that's crazy. But I just had to check them out because I love bags and I love a good deal. I will leave the links to these purses down below. I'm not affiliated with Quince whatsoever, but I will leave the links in case y'all are interested in checking them out and seeing the handbags that they have to offer. Oh, it is literally storming outside. So if you hear water, rain, it's like storming. Y'all hear that? Like the whipping, the wishing. Okay, so you guys, sorry, I had to put my mic on because the rain that is happening outside, the storm that is happening outside of my office window is crazy right now. Anywho, let's get back to this Quince unboxing, y'all. Comes in this giant bag, and on the front here it says Quince, but I'm not going to show you that part because it has my shipping label and information, so we're going to skip that. I ordered 2 handbags, and they both come individually wrapped in their own boxes. So within this giant black bag there's 2 boxes. So this is the second box. This is obviously slightly bigger. I'll put the name of the bags up here because I can't remember it off the top of my head. This is what it looks like when you open it. It says Quince in the inside. Very nice. Very nice. I'm impressed by the packaging. There's a scan code to refer a friend right on the outside. That's nice. Okay, I like that they're using their plastic well, or their packaging well. Okay. Oh, looks like this is the dust bag. Take this out, and then this is the bag, y'all. So this bag is called the Italian leather box shoulder bag. Ooh, unsnap to open. So leather on the outside. The leather feels good. Feels like nice. It smells very much like leather. The hardware feels good. Comes with the strap. Some paper in here. There's leather throughout, so there is like a caramel colored leather in the inside. And if y'all saw my last video, you know I love leather interior of bags. I prefer leather than canvas or microfiber inside the bag because I feel like it's easier to clean when it's leather throughout. Quince right on the inside there. And There is a zipper in the back that looks like you can put like cash or cards in there, maybe your card case. There's a pocket in the front. It's like accordion style. Pocket in the front. Some more paper. But the pocket's really cool. The pocket has a pocket. Y'all see this like little tiny pocket in here? So you could also do the same thing. Put cash, cards, or anything in this interior inner pocket, which is cool. And then, oh, there is also another back pocket. So there's multiple sections in this bag. There is no exterior pocket, which is cool. The hardware feels good. It feels nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on the strap real quick so we can see. Oh my God. Y'all, no freaking way. All right, sorry you guys. Literally my power went out right in the middle of filming, so that was crazy. Anywho, so I did say I was gonna put the handle strapping on, and I did, and here is the bag. As I stated previously, this is the Italian leather shoulder bag, and it is so nice, you all. Again, this is it with the strap on. You can wear it like this as a normal shoulder bag, or you can wear it like this as a crossbody. You can also wear it like as a extended shoulder bag at this length, but I personally prefer it like this. I just like the way it looks. There are a lot of bags that this is very similar to. Celine, the brand Celine, has a shoulder bag that looks similar to this. I really like it, and I'll just show you what it looks like on so you guys can kind of see it. So this is the bag on. I'm trying to sit up so you guys can see. It has a nice weight to it. I felt like it felt slightly light, but then I asked my husband just to check. I'm like, does this bag feel light to you? And he was like, no, not at all. So it does have a nice weight to it. I think I was just expecting it to be a little bit heavier, but it does have a really nice weight to it. It has this clasp that opens on the left side here. Yeah, the interior is nice. I really like how the interior looks of this bag. So very nice. And I feel like this gives higher end luxury without, again, that price tag. This is only like $150 in comparison to like this Celine bag or several others, again, that have similar styles that are a lot more expensive. So you can get that look for less. And it's very subtle. I feel like it really gives like quiet luxury without kind of being in your face, tons of branding, all that extra stuff. So very nice. I love a quiet luxury look on a inexpensive price. So next we have a little bit bigger of a bag. Let me get the name of this one for you. This purse is called the Italian Leather Mini Convertible Satchel. But yes, I saw this bag on the website and I was like, this looks a lot like the Coach Rogues. That's crazy. So again, it comes in a box, big box, opened up. Here's the bag. Okay, and this one is a big one. This was the mini satchel, and I believe there's one size up that's bigger. So I'm taking it out of the plastic. And it comes in its own dust bag. And this bag feels heavy duty. Put the dust bag over here. Looks like they've taped it up with paper. Oh my gosh. I'm only seeing like a part of it pop out and I'm like, ooh, this is nice. I can already tell. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. This immediately feels so nice. Okay, it's definitely giving like Rogue with the structure of it. Oh my gosh, I might not end up getting a Rogue because this freaking bag, y'all. Let me take the paper off the handles. Y'all. Oh my gosh, and it's like the perfect color. I believe this color is called mink. I did read on the details of this one. The interior is suede. It's suede. Like, I know suede when I feel it. It's suede. Oh, how much did I pay for this bag? How much? This one was cheaper than the other one. This one was $139. I'm gonna have to get me another one. Like, it's not like I need another one, but I just, in case they run out, okay? I just want to buy a backup. Like, oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, and the hardware on this, look at the hardware, y'all. The hardware on this feels so nice. It actually feels a lot like the Coach hardware on their bags. Oh my gosh, and I forgot it has this extra straps just like the Rogue. It has the elongated shoulder straps. Y'all. Oh my god. Oh, wait, hold on. Did I see feet on the bag? This is everything, y'all. $139? Are you serious? Let me keep unboxing it, y'all. I'm gonna unzip in here. The zips come all the way down on either side. It opens up. There's more storage and pockets. Here's the other strap. This inner compartment here, this is fabric. And in this inner compartment, you have a pocket here. You have the Quince logo. Let's get that. It's right in there. The Quince logo. Another zipper, which zips great. Okay. And then you have these areas, pockets on the outer, just like the Rogues. Right in the outer, that magnetize. Like, you guys, I'm serious right now. This is the best bag ever for the price. Here's it with the extended strap. So basically you would take these other straps off. You wouldn't have like all these straps, but you could wear it crossbody. Comes with the two straps to wear it shoulder bag style. And then you also have the option of holding it like this. It's literally the perfect size. It has feet on it. The color is like such a beautiful nude. I love nude neutrals. I also love that you can just tuck in these extra straps if you like wanted to. I think I'm gonna wear it like holding it like this, but I'll also use the straps. Oh my gosh. Wow. And they have a bigger one. I think the bigger one is like, hold up. I think the bigger one is like only 160, if that, y'all. Hold on. Let's look. This is literally crazy. How much is the bigger one? Because this is the mini satchel. And in size comparison, it looks about the same size. It looks about the same size. The Marc Jacobs tote that I have, in the size small, not the crossbody, but the small. Yeah, around the exact same size. But this has like pockets, zippers, zippered compartments, like suede interior. Again, I think this was only $139, y'all. But again, let me look at how much the larger size is. The larger size is $159, so $160. And it comes in the same colors, black and taupe. It even matches my shirt right now. Like, oh my gosh, I love this. I love that it doesn't have like any extra logos on it, that it's very just minimalistic. It looks so expensive, but it's not. That's crazy. Again, can't wait to wear this to work. This, and I love bags like this too, because I want to like bop around with my baby and my hubby, you know, go to the mall or go here or there. I could throw bottles in this bag. I could throw anything in here and not have to worry about messing it up because it's only $139. You get what I'm saying? And it looks so expensive and luxurious. That is everything from my Quince haul. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions about the bags anything that you want to know, if you're interested in purchasing and you just have like questions on the ones that I have, the two, please leave those down in the comments. I'd be happy to answer your questions and kind of give you a little bit more information on the handbags before you make a purchase of your own. So again, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.